Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn many interesting and new topics from our general knowledge book. So get ready. So now we are going to do the first lesson, plant products. See, children, plants are useful to us. They provide us different kinds of things like fruits, vegetables, flowers, medicines, spices, and so many other products. So now we will learn about many plants and plant products, fruits and vegetables. Tomatoes are red in color. It is shiny and smooth. It have many seeds inside it. It is also very good for health and rich in vitamin C. Spinach is a dark green leafy vegetable which is very good for your health and which is full of many nutrients and mineral values. So include spinach in your daily diet. Jackfruit is the biggest fruit and is good source of fiber. The natural chemicals in jackfruit may help in preventing many diseases and skin problems, and it is good in controlling blood pressure. Bitter gourd or Karela. It is very helpful for children who are suffering from juvenile diabetes as it plays a key role in reducing blood sugar levels. It is beneficial for obese children as it aids weight loss. It is a vegetable with many medicinal values. Potatoes are very versatile stem vegetable which is almost all used in all the houses, and many kids love eating these potatoes, and it is very rich in carbohydrates too. Mangoes, a healthy fruit and king of vegetables we call it, and it is very rich in all the nutritional values and rich in vitamin C completely. Bananas are one of the best fruit source of vitamin B6, and bananas contain water and fiber, both of which promote regularity and encourage digestive health. Cauliflower is a variety of cabbage whose white flower head is eaten. Cauliflower is very nutritious and may be eaten cooked, raw or pickled. Rose is a type of flowering shrub. Its name comes from the Latin word rosa. The flowers of the rose grow in many different colors. Even we will be using these rose petals for some kind of dishes also. Wheat is a grass widely cultivated for its seeds, a cereal grain which is worldwide staple food. We prepare chapatis, rotis, bread and many varieties of dishes with wheat. Rice is a cereal grain. It is the most widely consumed staple food for a large part of the world human population, especially in Asia and Africa. Sugarcane stalks grow to between 2 and 6 meters tall. These stalks contain sugar which is used to sweeten food and drinks. After the sugar has been taken out of these stalks, they can be burned to generate heat and electricity also. Garlic is used as spice and it has curing properties that can easily cure one's cough and cold. And it has powerful antibacterial properties and that can kill many kinds of bacteria also. This is rubber tree. With the extracted milk from the trunk of this rubber tree, we will be preparing rubber. Bamboo is a grass, not a plant. In fact, bamboo is the fastest growing plants. Coffee is a drink made from the seeds of coffee plant called coffee beans. Coffee is usually served hot and is a popular drink in many countries. Mint is a herb. It is also known as pudina in Hindi. Mint is packed with antioxidants and it can consume in various ways. And it aids digestion and treats asthma and many other diseases. So children, now we will do our worksheets in our general knowledge book. Okay, now open your page number 6 and get ready with your pencil. So coming to first one, this fruit is generally used as a vegetable in our homes. Which fruit is this? See, it will be in red color. See the first image and tell me the answer. It is tomato. Tomato, tomato. Okay, and we need to do all these things with the help of hint cell. Here you can find all the spellings to refer. Okay, coming to second one, this vegetable was a favorite of Britain's Queen Elizabeth. So what it is? See it is spinach. spinach, spinach. And now moving to third one, it is the biggest of all fruits and is also used as vegetable. See how it is. It is the biggest fruit and it is thorny. What it is? It is jackfruit. 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 Okay, it will be yummy also to eat and you can cook as vegetable also. And coming to fourth one, this bitter tasting vegetable has excellent medicinal properties. What it is? It is bitter in taste. It is bitter gourd. Okay. Fifth one, it is actually the stem of its plant and is used as vegetable. We all love it. What it is? It is potato. It is potato. Okay, write down. Go to sixth one. This fruit is called the king of fruits in India. We get in summer season. What it is? It is mango. mango, mango. Write down. And going to next one, seventh one, Alexander described this fruit as nectar dipped in honey. That means it will be so sweet. What it is? It is banana. banana, banana. And next one, generally mistaken to be a flower, the white portion of this plant is used as vegetable. This is cauliflower. We like all cauliflower Manchurian, right? It is cauliflower. Okay. And this is the flower of these plants are used to make gulkand. Gulkand is a kind of sweet, children. So we will be using rose, ROSE, rose petals for making this dessert. Okay. And going to next one, the flour of this grain is used for making bread, cakes, biscuits, etc. What it is? We'll make chapatis out of this. It is wheat. Next one, this white or brown grain is used for making kheer, pulao, idlis, etc. It is rice. We will eat daily, right? That is rice. And going to next one, the sugar is made from the thick stem of these plants. These plants are nothing but sugar canes. We will drink sugar cane juice also, right? So that is. And the next one, this strong tasting and smelling spice is used in cooking. It is nothing but garlic. Garlic, garlic. Write down. Next one, rubber is obtained from the latex of this plant. So it is nothing but rubber plant or rubber tree. Okay. And going to next one, paper is made from the pulp of this plant. What it is? And pandas like this plant very much. It is bamboo. Okay. Then going to next one, the cooked seeds of this plant made into powder and used for making a drink. What it is? These are coffee beans and the drink made out of these seeds are coffee. Okay, these are coffee seeds. Then these leaves of these plants are used to cure cough and cold is nothing but mint leaves. Okay, children, see. And one more important thing here, potatoes were first known to be grown by the Indica Indians of South America. Okay, now we have finished all these. If you have any doubt, you can once cross check your answers with the hint cell. Okay, children, now we have finished the first lesson from our general knowledge book. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye bye.